mà là cái tiếng chạy nhỏ cái đường tin media cái chẳng cái năng jok cái phải vào đâu cái ron khi nó đang rau để chân đang rau để đi agan mak bangun gok bay nung lara ti la nung yani siang cái đường tin media cái tin lat cái rodian cái Junub Sudan cái nó win mo na rodian an wala cái chẳng cái năng jok cái phải vào đâu đường tin media cái qua tiếng mà be nung quick update cái situation dan la rod ray log cái nyam ba roi cái warga cha gor SPDF mình cho gọi lâu warga nan ju kondi ala nen ke chan kwen min cha jak media ni lu roi kong la spokesperson ka SPLM IG chan ra jode on region 1 and we are here talking about warga mo angulo demo ka tan ta lo no when before ka lu roi ni ben yal ke that warning ta ke di so no in the topic in number ra jode long plus update ke security situation around UAE kan wado ko ken ka ta ci bur ke jem wal well when yam me ro yana jagalat ko ne lo cha ko warning SPDF through lurai we read the letter and jo na ya la lurai channeling ta te lo no wen ta cha tung no ko wat they are aware of the level of the SPDF ngu balelo ngu balelo kuma you know but with all power again kata yito kore log they are all aware of it ngai kendial so me to kor ni menda ne chiwo to ko wona ne chalan ken cha bok that we cannot blame law chiko they blame they were organized for that the only thing is we hini michel what a advanced position ko chereni al michel so ko chelo we somewhere and so ko advanced aircraft micha long committee shop level that we cannot blame them because of what happened ka lanken so we don't know anything animal rodamo law KSPL my gore log is ready ka every eventuality mbale lo kuma mo ngot kan warning kan to belura so we don't know the position of right today ko expose no bang pero government of South Sudan to be negative warning as we can see kata nana cha kwen ga ko jogo population wo ya rodun ka sentence warning to low wo ro ka kubu wo ro ka kalanken wo ro dun ka yai kono konenta SPL mai u tintetin so everywhere in low a target because every part of low cha occupy SPL mai u so every population center but the element of SPL mai u that mean a target ba bomb as we always talk that get low you are ready for any action in the and the only things additional measures to be alert as a sharp law ko be ngayo this time to in core kata de core sha du sha nen ka technique ni ke core la de she me alert paneje ka lanken so we don't have any time to waste who and ban precautionary measures ban ka implement ya population centers be agapal be adol be agapal be agwadon content the target ye ka marketplaces be agapal ko no ba du kwid mala de belat and then god be paratak ten koken tin la yen in general this cannot deter hello chaga be deter hello be won ne tar ko up to the guanan bo pektin mulunu won ne in state ta da ne jibogre ne alpan me nan na ga ka lanken to increase ni ngai ko we can see up to today every part of law take mobilization toward the target go on big wotin mulunu wona ne mije to na ga ken ka sentenced so the person na ku na gan ken mu ku order in every location loga time ku ba jerken so mission keno is situation and unfolding and we kono ko ke this few week situation in your state bala different chabung wot ka position manan muluno ne in ta nan chala de SPDF. There is nothing muku is scared. So the only thing they can do they prepare for war. Kor but ban toward them. Kamichi jen no big road area laka ko ba kor ba lor. Ken no kon job kake. Te ko kela reto blapping. Ke diat tell me la dortin. Watching dan chak about the position of low politician, a low well, we can call them like that. Think on the hukum self care position then. They tried everything. Jana nang nagare guy ku chatayin jedet kayuai ku dong de yuai de partaken. They try everything to divide law. Ku dong de take a balance of power. They te neken law ka kor. So they are like pale. Today. A group of them. Think one they should can take a thing that we will publish anytime. Chicken your wakel with L of individual. Ramkel jago connect ke some organ ke spell my wouldn't contrary log. She can look by yak. So the topic can look by yak. They were trying to persuade him. First, I took allow con change yak. Can politician the corner take a job. Trying to tell him when and then now, the con situation may need a con believe Koromo got change yak. So if any possibility could be a burden Koromo. 1, 2, 3 chaon by all means could do content ten chalane. So the response look was very blunt. When we are ready to animal bit or a locomo, we will pace it. To the other to take a yatoken kun. Korai logo our position when and guard ko chago to ko kelu. Whatever will be the cost. Bagani ke kumala kumedun. So and Mr. Keno, as we follow one and ne kon to jube. Instead of be parakan getilat grodian ka low. They are trying. Better hard kun and tantare logo. They can have but because they know take effect their positions government of self-care and time. Melodian Rajan and we receive from people about a guy who regard while the Jagan Kormalar Grey Locomo Ichiokora, when I was trying to normalize the low community, chatting one chagaon. So neither Waji and Wana Nunkorto Shagan. So if there is any person to be blamed, not me, they blame the that but military and all this. So now it's clear because it never come up publicly and talk about it. Because clear, we cannot take it as a statement. We are around. Ko me clear a push that a lot public. Ko when ko mo shen lo de shen ngach. Well, Cheon by all means, you tell at Cornago and the guy try to normalize the law, but not in the interest of law. Interest there can kumede. So because the reality is taken. She made a nature on Japan. I don't know what you call in time. She take a position of hotel military long raid. Jakuma them long convenient, get a law check at them long convenient, and is trying. Kuan and a dera jago person may tell me could you blame in this situation. That we will follow. Go on Korongo the Muagawa, who to be blamed, who is not to be blamed, what can connect up. The general update areas of UAE, we know Ankorjatin at a time from August to Chimanin, it may happen around the area of UAE. Kode to area of UAE, we can just only monitor it, but go Katana Wegaje. And as we always talk about, these are the issues of military and security issues that public media, we cannot talk about the position of the court today. Kote jike tilatgaje. Toro kan de ko cholo kapden today can tiangame ke changya nang doko pai waro. Kadung din media manum chan lo jigrun ke ko ken. Lo da tes ko chago gor. Chukran.